Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write with QuillBot. So if you want to basically write something and not sure what to write, you can use QuillBot AI Chat to write and to generate ideas as well. So what I want to recommend to you that while you can use this to write, I want to recommend that you use additional tools within QuillBot to get a perfect content that you're trying to write. So you can use AI Chat to write, then you can go ahead and paraphrase whatever you write. Then you can also check it as well for grammar checks. If there's some grammar there, then you can also go ahead and check it for AI detection. And it's going to tell you if it's like written by AI, which it will most likely tell you. Then you can use the AI humanizer to humanize the text so that it basically looks more like a human write it. And then you can basically run it through the plagiarism as the final step to see if it's good and there's no plagiarism right there before you publish such content. So I'm going to show you how you can basically use the AI tool, but I explained to you how you can use these different tools to basically get the perfect content. So you want to use them all together. So click on AI chat there, or if you're on this screen here, you can find AI chat on the lower left hand side, and you can basically write whatever. So I'm gonna just say the AI to let me just go ahead and make this, let's say uppercase, write a paragraph about how Europe evolved since the last 50 years, and just go ahead and hit send there, and the AI is going to basically write that. And as you can see right here, it gives me this data or this text. As I mentioned before, you want to use all the tools together. So you copy this text, then you can go to paraphrase, for example, and you can go ahead and just put your text right here to paraphrase it and hit paraphrase, and it's going to paraphrase the text for you, as you can see. And you can copy this text. And then I mentioned that you can also go ahead and use the humanize here. So you would put the text right here within humanize, and it will humanize the text for you, as you can see right there, it's humanize. But again, you need to have the premium version to be able to do all of this. And of course, once you humanize it, you can go ahead and just check as well if it was, let's say, written by AI. For example, I use this, detect if it's AI, it's going to detect and tell me. And as you can see right here, it says yes. But that's why you want to run it through the humanizer, right? After that is done, you can go ahead and run it through the plagiarism tool as well. And again, you want to ensure that you have the premium. So you'll scan it for plagiarism, and it will check and tell you if it detects how many percent of it will be, let's say, detected with plagiarism, right? And so that's what you want to do, guys. Go ahead and use all the tools together to be able to basically use QuillBot to create a perfect content. But that's how you can use the AI tool, guys, within QuillBot by using the AI chat to come up with ideas and to write within QuillBot.